Hello there. I just wanted to take a couple minutes to make sure you understand how to use the graphing tool in MyMathLab. This will come up in the section 3.3 homework. So here I've just chosen a sample problem where it asks me to graph the linear equation by finding and plotting its intercepts. The equation it gave me is x equals 2y. If you look around the graph here, you can actually see a graph window here. It's kind of small, so there's actually two ways you can make that a little bigger for yourself. One is to use the click to enlarge graph button. One is to use the little magnifying glass. Either one will make it bigger. In fact, let me make it as big as I possibly can make it. And that gives me a graphing window. Now the actual equation that they gave me was x equals 2y. So what you would do is go through the process of finding your intercepts, finding your points for your graphs, and then you want to plot those. The tool you want to use is over on the right hand side. This is your choice of different tools. And you probably messed around with this a little bit in the orientation. But the tool we want to use is called the line tool. We'll click that. And now when you come over to the graph here, you'll see you actually have this little dotted line, that horizontal and vertical line going around. You want to plot your points. Again, our equation was x equals 2y. So the points we would plot would be our x and y intercept, which happens to be 0, 0. Click for your first point, and then as you move around, you see now you have your line moving around. Now, as you'll see in the review videos for this section, with an equation like x equals 2y, you only have really the one point. Your x and y intercept are both 0, 0. So you need some second point. Well, in this case, if y is equal to 1, then x would be 2. So we can go over to the point. X is 2, y is 1. Click. Now that draws our line. At this point, we click Save. Alright, and that will save that line for us, and then we can check Answer. So again, the process, if you don't like your line, you can click Clear, or you can select it and click the little X. Either way will make it go away. Again, to draw your line, use your line tool. Click on your first point. Click on your second point. That draws your line for you. Click Save, and then you can click your Check Answer to see if you did it right. Okay, so that's the process for finding or graphing an equation in the MyMathLab interface.